while to dissimulate and I headed the bathroom, place of refuge. I cried and understood that my daughter was afraid because she was reaching teenage, like I was one day feeling scared of having to become independent and responsabilize. That was when I decided that I had to do something. I had to write the story of young Ellen to guide the teenagers who start getting too independent. Before starting putting letters to this manuscript, I want to say that lots of you will feel identified with the young woman. Aileen had been a kid who turned into a teenager till she reached her youth, and destiny changed her life from one day to another without her waiting for it. She was a survivor in a world so big and little at the same time. She felt orphaned and alone all her short life, with no means to get ahead, without someone next to her to cry with, but always with a port out to reach far with her dream to so many competitors in a market so competitive as this one is. She wished to be a great writer. She wondered with all her anxieties, mornings, afternoons, and sleepless nights. We will call her Aileen, who promises. She is a great example for everyone, most of all for those who are starting to get independent, the teenagers and those who aren't but still confused without someone near them to take initiatives. With fear of taking chances,